San Basilio de Palenque is a town located in the Colombia-Caribbean region, recognized worldwide as the first free town in America. Their origin dates back to a shipwreck of at Ciudad at the time of the Spanish colony transport slaves.
Since the shipwreck, a growth got sky and consolidate a resistance that would result in a free from slavery. The Palenque community of descendants of late Jutro acts resisted and returned to refuge in the territories of the north coast of Colombia from the 15th century called Palanques.
The Palenqueras are cheerful women who, with their work, receive tourists in the walled city of Cartagena. Their colorful dresses and the frieze they wear on their hair are just a sample of the joy and sweetness with which Colombia awaits their visitors.
Created using Powtoon.